What unique designs make these million-dollar houses stand out? We're taking you inside the world of million-dollar mansions, showcasing the incredible details, luxurious features, and stories that make each property a remarkable testament to wealth and creativity. This will surely satisfy your thirst for luxury. We've gathered exclusive insights from leading sources like Architectural Digest and The Guardian to showcase the stunning features and unique stories behind these incredible homes, and you won't want to miss the breathtaking castle at the end. First up is a house sitting right over the water, a Malibu beach house. What's even more exciting, since it's actually built on stilts, this unique place has a front door, 3 windows, a recliner chair, a mattress, and even a beer cooler. If you like fishing, you'll enjoy the setup, which has gaps in the floor, letting you fish straight from your living room while relaxing comfortably. However, keep in mind that with every storm, this beautiful property could easily become a makeshift raft or driftwood. You might wonder why anyone would want to sell such an interesting property. The owner is clear about wanting to sell quickly, saying that buying this house isn't a good idea and insisting they wouldn't even think about taking it back for double the listing price. Yes, that's just $2. This shows that the saying, investing in real estate is always a good idea, doesn't always hold true, especially for this particular shack. Next on the list is an amazing $3 million survival condo that could actually give you the feeling of security. Many of us have dreamed about surviving a zombie apocalypse or a nuclear disaster. While we might picture hiding out in our basements with snacks and canned goods, someone took it further by building a fancy underground fortress. This survival condo is located 200 feet underground in an old Cold War missile silo designed with style and comfort in mind. Behind heavy steel doors is a 400 square foot complex spread over 15 floors, set up to support you for up to 3 years. The facility has storage areas, medical facilities, and 7 floors of luxury living spaces, including a library, classrooms, and a gym. Each apartment comes with fully equipped kitchens, cozy bedrooms with jacuzzi tubs and bidets, and even digital windows to make you feel less like you're underground. For fun, residents can enjoy a climbing wall, a pet park, a bar, a movie theater with about 3,000 films, and an indoor shooting range. There's even an indoor water park, complete with a computer-controlled saltwater pool and a water slide, adding a fun touch. Plus, the bunker has a farming area for growing fresh produce and fish, making sure your doomsday meals are more exciting than just chips and canned food. If this sounds like your dream place to ride out the apocalypse, you can get a full-floor unit for just $3 million. The maximum occupancy is limited to 75 people. In 1999, innovative property developer Chris Oakes and a partner bought a grand 19th century mansion. After turning the mansion into apartments, they were left with half an acre of land in front. Instead of letting this valuable land go to waste, they cleverly designed an underground luxury home. Despite the inspector's rules against visible structures that would block the mansion's view, they built a circular 4,000 square foot house beneath a well-kept garden, which looks ordinary at first glance. This one-of-a-kind property features a central living room surrounded by bedrooms, a kitchen, dining area, bar, and even a DJ booth, all equipped with a comprehensive audio and visual system. A $200,000 car elevator provides access to the home in a dramatic James Bond style. Surprisingly, the underground house gets plenty of natural light through cleverly placed light wells that lead up to the garden above. There's also an outdoor space where you can set up a grill or a hot tub. Up next, if you're seeking something with more panoramic views, we have the $6 million house yacht. This home combines comfort and luxury in a unique way. This floating house changes the game for waterfront living with 4,350 square feet of space, a foldable terrace, 19-foot high ceilings, and 4 stylish bedrooms, each with its own bathroom. The master bedroom includes a private terrace with breathtaking views thanks to large glass windows. The house is kept steady with 40-foot-long pillars that can lift it above the water during storms or hurricanes. It also features an environmentally friendly design, powered entirely by 119 solar panels and equipped with systems that purify rainwater, allowing it to run independently from the grid. If you want a more traditional mansion with a view, we have the $14 million property in Hollywood Hills. It has a stunning design and amazing views. This 7,217 square foot building fits perfectly into the green surroundings. As you enter, guests are greeted by a large pivot door that opens into elegant interiors ideal for hosting gatherings. The spacious terrace wraps around the home and leads to an infinity pool that appears to merge with the Los Angeles skyline. Inside, the open living area, featuring tall glass walls and a beautiful Portuguese marble fireplace, gives off an air of sophistication. The gourmet kitchen comes with high-end appliances, while special features like an aquarium bar and a custom honeycomb quartz wine cellar add extra charm. A private home theater and a modern gym, complete with a sauna and steam shower, make sure that you have everything you need for relaxation and fun. For a truly unique option, let's take a look at the $18 million Invisible House. This innovative home blends seamlessly with its rocky surroundings in Joshua Tree National Park, featuring a 225-foot-long design that appears to float above the desert. With 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, it combines luxury and sustainability, powered by advanced solar systems. Among its standout features are a custom go-kart track with a dedicated garage and an indoor golf simulator, where residents can practice on virtual world-famous courses. The Sawyers have also added a stunning 6,000-square-foot man cave, complete with a chef's kitchen, virtual reality gaming zone, dance studio, private gym, and full spa. The redesigned pool area resembles a resort, complete with a sun deck, entertainment space, and whirlpools. Unique spy house features include a hidden collapsible staircase leading to the roof and a retinal scan accessed underground armory beneath the go-kart track. Priced at $20 million, this property offers a host of extravagant amenities. Next on the list is a stunning castle, available for $22 million. Designed by celebrated architect Charles Seeger, Shadow Artisan is a breathtaking concrete castle created in 2007 as both a personal retreat and a showcase of Seeger's architectural prowess. This majestic estate, surrounded by a striking moat, emerges from a man-made lake with an aura reminiscent of a medieval castle. Tall hedges wrap around the property, ensuring privacy and adding to the overall grandeur. The main house spans 3 levels, with the ground floor boasting expansive living spaces, including a formal dining room, a chef's kitchen, and multiple lounges designed for entertainment and relaxation. The second floor features uniquely styled bedrooms, with the master suite offering a private retreat, complete with an opulent ensuite and a balcony that overlooks the lake, evoking the ambiance of a royal sanctuary. The top level is dedicated to leisure, including a home theater, game room, and library. Additionally, 2 luxurious guest houses, each with 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, and a living area, ensure a high-end experience for visitors. Shadow Artisan stands as a true testament to Seeger's design mastery, blending luxury with medieval charm. If you enjoyed this peek into some of the most jaw-dropping million-dollar mansions, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more exclusive tours like these. Want to see how The Rock stacks up against Ronaldo in the luxury game? Then stay tuned for our next video, The Rock vs. Ronaldo. Who lives more luxuriously? You won't want to miss it. Catch you in the next one.